Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn English for law students. Begin by building a strong foundation in legal vocabulary, focusing on about 500 essential terms. Understand common legal phrases and their contexts. Practice reading legal documents like contracts and case briefs to grasp their structure and language. Actively listen to legal podcasts or online lectures for at least 30 minutes each day to improve comprehension and pronunciation. Consistent daily effort is key to mastering legal English effectively. To master legal reading and writing, regularly engage with legal journals, statutes, and academic articles. This exposure will enhance your understanding of complex legal concepts and terminology. Practice summarizing intricate legal cases into concise, clear language, aiming for about 200 words per summary. Develop your writing skills by drafting short legal memos and professional emails, focusing on precision and conciseness. Always consult a specialized legal dictionary to ensure accurate word usage and meaning. To enhance your legal speaking and listening skills, actively participate in mock trials or legal debates. This provides practical experience in articulating legal arguments. Listen to legal news broadcasts and recordings of court proceedings to familiarize yourself with authentic legal discourse and varying accents. Seek opportunities to converse with native English speakers, perhaps for 15 minutes daily, to build confidence and fluency. Recording yourself speaking and reviewing it can highlight areas needing improvement in pronunciation and intonation. For advanced legal English, leverage online legal databases and research tools to access a vast array of resources. Engage with international law student forums to interact with peers and discuss complex legal issues, broadening your perspective. Consider enrolling in specialized legal English courses that focus on specific areas like contract law or intellectual property. Regularly review grammar and style guides tailored for legal writing to refine your precision and professionalism in all communications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.